Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the chart for GE going back to the 80s. So we're talking about from 1980 to about 1991. What we're going to be discussing here is the RSI 50 support. As we can see here, there's uniform activity below 50, back above it for the lows of 1981. We come close here and hold for the lows of 1985. And then there's a band of up and down, pretty much weaving itself around the RSI 50 level. Ultimately, it recovers back above the RSI 50 level. So the lows here are held. And we can see another bounce on the RSI 50 level here with uniform activity for the lows there. Now we can see coming into October of 1990, this is what the monthly chart looked like. And if you had seen this in 1990, chances are it was suggesting, without looking at any other parameters, that more than likely if the RSI would go on to move back above RSI 50, then this was a good entry based on a long-term monthly chart. So again, take a look at this and we can see that looks like uniform activity formation by the time we begin October of 1990, excuse me. So by the beginning of October 1990, on the monthly, RSI looks like it wants to go back above RSI 50 with uniform action. Again, the key is the uniform action. So if we fast forward, now we have a chart that goes into 1994. We can see that this is what was happening. So the prior chart looked like this. So this was a logical entry level. Had you seen that, you would have speculated that the market was going to have uniform activity support and a recovery leg, giving you a swing trade opportunity. Let's take a look at what happened after that. So you can see exactly the market bounced back above RSI 50. So that was a good entry because after that, the stock went on a nice swing trade. We see another uniform activity support at the RSI 50 here for the lows of 1991. And there you have it. That's how you use the RSI 50 support. Anytime you get uniform activity around the RSI 50, it tends to suggest that that is actionable activity. So take a look. There should be a link in the description of the video that goes into details with lots of examples about this method. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS.